Welcome back to Don't Burn Dinner. This week I'm introducing you to the ultimate hack for a Sunday roast. What you do with this information is up to your own discretion, but it is just this easy. All you need is 1 cup of water. You'll only dirty 1 bowl, a whisk, and a pan. Oh, and you will need a pair of kitchen scissors to cut it open. Stop it, you guys. All you need is 1 cup of water. You mix it in with the bag of seasoning provided, and you whisk. Whisk, whisk. Pour it over your meat that you've put inside the pan, then move the vegetables to inside the pan as well. Just dump them in, doesn't matter. Make a little space. Arranging. That's it. Oh. And then you have to put the tin foil over the top. Just cover it. Now we're going to go at 350 inside the oven for 3 hours, maybe 4 hours, but 3 hours I usually do. And you'll have plenty of time to just lay back, relax, do some Pilates. Just kidding. I'm a mom. I'm not doing Pilates. I'm doing dishes. That's what we do all day, every day. Not the same gloves. These are my oven mitts, but yeah, come on in and take a look at this beautiful roast after 3 hours in the oven. Boom. Insane. Come on. Do not sleep on these easy roasts that you can find. And is it good? Yes, it's delicious. You better believe it. Make sure to join us next time to see a new mom hack.